Today we're fixing the single biggest reason the rich get richer and everyone else stays stuck. Your income goes up, but your spending rises even faster. This is the silent killer nobody talks about. In video 2, I taught you the 10% income sink rule, where every time your income increases, your investment contributions increase automatically. But here's the real problem. Most people never see the benefit. Because lifestyle creep eats the entire raise before the automation even kicks in. Let me show you exactly how to escape that. This alone will change everything. Your biggest financial enemy isn't debt. It's your future self with slightly more money. When you make $300 more per month, you feel richer. So you adjust. You eat out more. You upgrade your phone early. You start buying out of convenience. You add subscriptions. You buy more things rationalizing that you deserve this stuff. And suddenly the whole raise disappears. What if lifestyle creep never touched your income again? Here's the system the wealthy use without realizing it. Step 1. Freeze your lifestyle at last year's level. Not forever, just for 12 months. Step 2. Automate the gap. Every raise gets auto-transferred into one or more of the following. Investments. High-yield savings accounts. Debt payoff. Roth IRA. Or a simple index fund. Step 3. Only increase lifestyle after your wealth hits a milestone. For example, when my investments hit $10,000, I upgrade my apartment. Or, when I hit $25,000, I increase my fund money. This turns life into a game where progress literally earns upgrades. Whether you make $40,000 or $140,000, this works the same. Because when your income rises, your investments rise. Your net worth rises. Your savings rise. And your peace rises too, without relying on discipline, without relying on motivation, without relying on remembering. This is how ordinary people accidentally become wealthy. And it's where your wealth starts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to pick the perfect investment vehicle for your automated contributions, even if you're a complete beginner. So hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss it.